Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to fix the Facebook login error. So if you're trying to log in into Facebook and you're not able to do so, you may head over and follow up this process for that. So we can start by directly clearing up your cache or restarting the application. So in order to clear the cache, you can hold the Facebook application and go over to the info tab at the top and select it. And once you select it, you may just scroll through the given options and look out for the storage section and tap on it. Once you select storage, look out for the clear cache option in the bottom right and select it. After that, you can wait for a few minutes and try logging in into the Facebook application once again. Apart from that, if you're using the Facebook application, what you can do is you can close the application completely like this. And once you close it, you can reopen the Facebook app once again on your device. Also, you can just go over and force close and reopen it. So for that, hold the Facebook application once again and go to the info tab at the top. And from there, you may just scroll down or look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and select it. After that, just go over and confirm it by tapping on this OK option right here. And you can restart the application once again. Apart from that, you can reset your password. So go to the Facebook login page for that. And then from this login page right here, look out for the forgotten password option. And once you do so, a link should appear on the login page to go through the account recovery process, which may involve receiving a code via email or SMS. You may just go over and hit enter. And once you do so, you should be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, what we can do is we can just go over and check for account restrictions. So when you try to access your Facebook application, if there is any kind of security lock or restrictions, you can just go over and set up completely security check or wait for the restriction to lift automatically. Also try reinstalling the Facebook application. You can hold the app and look out for the uninstall option or update the application. So go to Play Store for that, and from there go over the search and then search for Facebook. And once you search for Facebook, just go over and update by tapping on this update option if any update is available, and you should be able to fix the Facebook login error after that. So that is it, everybody. These are the methods you can follow up to fix that issue. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.